Good morning, my dear grade 8 students. Today we are going to discuss the part 2 of the question paper, second term evaluation, question points, educational department. Already we have discussed the first part. Let's start the second part. Then in this paper also will be in the description list. Take that paper, answer the questions, and check your answers in this video. Yes, okay, Puta. Question number 1. In this part 2, question number 1 carries 16 marks and all other get 11 marks each. Then you have to answer only 5 questions. But let's discuss all the questions in this paper. Yes. Question number 1. Recall the memory of the activity done in the classroom regarding the sum of the interior angles and the exterior angles of a triangle. Yes. This question is about the sum of interior and exterior angles of a triangle. Yes, first one, A plus B plus C. Yes, look at the diagram that is given. A, B, C, sum of these three. These are the interior angles of a triangle. So A plus B plus C equal 108. 108. Then again they ask A plus P. Then producing this side, the exterior angle P. Here that is a they have built up the exterior angle P producing this side. So A plus P equal 108. A plus P 108. Then here again C plus R 180. The reason is sum of the angles on a straight line. A and P are the angles. A and P are the adjacent angles on a straight line. As well as here C and R also, they are the adjacent angles on a straight line. Then B plus P, sorry, B plus Q, B plus Q, here Q, B plus Q also 100. According to that, show that A plus B plus C plus D plus Q plus R equal 504. Yes, sum of all these. Now on this one, they ask sum of all these three. A plus, look at here, A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R equal 3 of 180 is, that means 540. 540. Using the above answer, find the sum of P plus Q plus R. Yes, already we know that A plus B plus C is 108. Now we have taken A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R equal 504. We know that A plus B plus C, sum of these three is 180. So we can write that 180 plus P plus Q plus R equal 540. Subtract 180 from both sides. P plus Q plus R equal 540 minus 180 will be 360. Yes, let's see now what are the P, Q, and R. P, Q, R. P, Q, and R are the exterior angles of this diagram. Exterior angles of this triangle. Then let's see what are the questions. According to that, what is the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle? Yes, sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. 360 degree. Then for the fourth question, you have to write 360 degree. Question number 5. Find the values of the angles given in the following figures A, B, C, D, and X. Yes. Question number 1. A. Yes, let's see that. Yes. Buddha, let's consider the question number one, triangle one. That is, one interior angle given as 70, another interior angle have to be found, and one angle is given out of the triangle. So look at here. This is not an exterior angle. That is also an interior angle because they are the vertically opposite angle we can consider. So interior is 80. So we know that sum of these three is 180. That means a plus 70 plus 80 equal 180. A plus 70 plus 80 is 150 equal 180. Subtract 150 from both sides, then A will be 30. Then A will be 30. Yes. This is the first question. Then second one. These two are exterior angles, two are interior angles. Then you have to get either exterior angles or interior angles to get the sum. Yes, let's see. Here I am going to consider the exterior angles. If this is 70, this angle is 110 because the sum should be 180 angles on a straight line, adjacent angles on a straight line. If this is 60, this exterior angle should be 120. Now consider 1, 2, 3, 4. All four are exterior angles. X plus 110 plus 120 plus 65. They are exterior angles. Exterior angle, sum of exterior angles of any polygon, 360. Remember that should not be a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, dodecagon, dodecagon, anyone. Sum of the exterior angles is 360. Remember that very carefully. That is, do not depend with the polygon. Sum of exterior angles is 360. Yes, then x plus 110 plus 120 is 230 plus 65 is 295 equal 360. Subtract 295 from both sides. Then x will be 65. X will be 65. Yes. Then third diagram. This is a triangle. Let's consider this B firstly. B is 40 degree. Reason? Vertically opposite angles. B is 40. Vertically opposite angles. Then D is yes, D is 140 angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Now we have find B, D. Then let's consider A. Consider the sum of the angles in this triangle. A plus B is 40 plus 30 equal 180. 40 plus 30 is 70. A plus 70. 180. Subtract 70 from both sides. A equal 110. Equal 110. Then consider this large triangle. This is 90. This is 30. We don't know. C plus 90 plus 30 equal 180. 90 plus 30 equal 120. Subtract 120 from both sides. A will be 60. Answer of A is 60. Now we have taken all the values of these given angles. Here A 30. In this one x equals 65. In this one A equals 60. Sorry, not A. A equal 110, B equal 40, C equal 60, D equal 140. Then consider all those answers with your answers you have taken for your when you do the question paper. Yes. Sixth one, can 70, 60 and 70 be an interior angles of a triangle? Yes. Can't. Reason, some of them is not 180 degrees. Some of them is not 180 degrees. If they are the interior angles of a triangle, some of them should be 180, but here some of them is not 180. Question number part B, can 100, 120 and 110 be an exterior angles of a triangle? Yes, that is also cannot be, because I told you that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360, but sum of these three given angles becomes 330. So that also may not be. Can 90, 90, 70 and 110 be an interior angles of a quadrilateral? Sorry. Yes. Sum of these four angles is 90 plus 90 is 180. 70 plus 110 also 180. 180 plus 180 is 360. So sum of these four angles is 360. That means that is equal to the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. That may be. Yes, let's discuss how to find sum of interior angles of a polygon also. That's very easy, Buddha. Look at here. Think, you know that sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. Now we are going to find how we can obtain the sum of interior angles. That is very simple. Look at here. First one, the first polygon is triangle. You know that is 180. Next is a quadrilateral. Next is a pentagon. Like that. I am going to explain by these three diagrams. Yes, Huda, you can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles, considering joining vertices. Then one triangle, that is 180, another triangle that is also 180. That means 360. This is 180, 360. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 of 180. That means 540. Sum of interior angles is 540. Sum of interior angles of 360. This is 180. Yes. Then remember that here they ask about the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. That becomes 360. So this C final answer for the question for the final answer is, can 90, 90, 70, 110 be an interior angle of quadrilateral? Yes, can be. Yes. Consider all these answers and remember your knowledge about interior and exterior angles of some of the interior and exterior angles of polygons. Yes. Let's consider the question number 2. They are about the equations. Question number 1, 5x minus 7 equals 33. 5x minus 7 equals 33. To remove this minus 7, apply plus 7 to both sides. Minus 7 cancels. 5x equal 40. Divide both sides by 5. 5 cancels. 6 equal 8. Question number 1. 2 over 3x plus 1 equal 7. 2 over 3x plus 1 7, apply -1 to both sides, +1 cancels to -1. 2/3 cancels by 3/2, multiply by 3/2. 3 cancels, 2 cancels, x equals 3/3, 9. Third one, 5 times 2x minus 3 equal 35. Divide both sides by 5. 5 cancels. 2x minus 3 equals 7. Apply +3 to remove -3. +3 cancels. 2x equal 10. Divide by 2. X equal 5. X equal 5. Yes. These are the answers for question number 2, part A. Question number part B. There are 3 types of Rubik cubes in a shop for sale as follows. Price of a cube of type A 450, type B 250, type C 150. X number of type A, Y number of type B, and 4 cubes of type C were solved. Give the following as an algebraic expressions. Yes. Total number of Rubik cubes solved. Yes. X number of type A, X, Y number of type B, and 4 type C. This is the sum of Rubik cubes. The total income by selling them. Yes. One of type A is 450. So income from that is 450x. From one of type B is 250. So 250y. From one of Rubik cube is in type C is 150. 150 times 4 is 600. Type C. Yes. If x equal 8 and y equal 6, x equal 8. Apply 8 for x. 450 times 8. 250 times 6 plus 600. 0, 0, 3,600. 0, 0, 1,500 plus 600. 5,700. Yes. Yes. Total income on that day is 5,700. Yes. Then part C. You have to evaluate -5 plus +3. 2 -5. That is same question printed. So I write that as -5 minus +3. Third, -5 by -3. Yes. Let's consider these 3 sums. First one, -5 plus +3. -5 plus +3. Two directed numbers to add. They are in different signs. So subtract the small one from large one. 3 minus 5, that is 2. Give the symbol of large minus. Remember, when there are 2 directed numbers to add, if they are in different signs, subtract the small digit from last digit, give the symbol of large digit. Then question number 2, -5 minus +3. -5 minus +3. Yes, to subtract 2 directed numbers. Then you can Write here the additive inverse of the second one. Minus 5. Subtraction become addition. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Minus 5 plus minus 3. That is minus 8. Minus 8. Then third one. Now look at here. Now look at this answer question again. Minus 5 minus plus 3 was the sum. We change this subtraction into addition and the additive inverse of the next one. Plus 3 was minus 3. Now minus 5 plus minus 3. There are two digits in different signs. Minus 5 minus in same sign. Minus 5 minus 3. So if there are two directed numbers to add in same sign, get the sum of them, give the symbol of them. Get the sum of them, give the symbol of them. 5 and 3 is 8. Symbol is minus 8. Then third one, minus 5 times minus 3. Minus by minus plus 5 times 3, 15. Plus 15. Plus 15 is the answer. Yes, these are the answers for question number 2. Yes, we are going to discuss the third question. This is the final question I am going to discuss in this video. So as well as this third question is very important. Definitely there may be a sum about using this sharing profits. So check your answers for this third questions also, and this is the final sum I am going to discuss in this video. Yes, okay. Question number 3. Kamal started the business on 1st of January 2016, investing 35,000. After 3 months, Shiva joined by investing 56,000. After another 2 months, Kazim joined by investing 60,000 rupees. Let's see that. This is the business. This started by Kamal. 1st of January. That means 12 months. Invest in 35,000 rupees. After 3 months, Shiva joins. After 3 months means 9 months. Because at the end of the year, when we consider up to December, Shiva joined only for 9 months only, because he joined to the business after 3 months starting the business. Then invest in 56,000. After another 2 months, so 9 months Shiva. After another 2 months means 7 months. 7 months Kazim. Invest in 60,000 rupees. Their profit after 1 year was 128,000. Profit after the end was 128,000. They decided to share the profit according to the time and the investment. Yes, they hope to share this profit according to the money they invested, investment, and the time. Yes, that is the reasonable method to divide shares, divide profit. That means we should consider not only the amount of money, but also the time period they invested also. Yes, let's write now. First, they give the simplest ratio of the profit distribution among 3 of them. Yes, Puta, look at here. See, ratio. Kamal, Shiva, Kasi. Now, I want to draw this diagram. I drawn here to summarize the given details. Okay, Kamal, 35,000 rupees. Time period 2. Shiva, 56,000 rupees. Time period 9. Kazim, 60,000 rupees. Time period 7. Yes. Let's cancel the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we can divide by 7. 35, 56. Here 7. 1, 8, 5. Again we can divide by 3. 4, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 5 times 4, 20. 8 times 3, 24. 2 times 1 is 2. Again can be divided by 2. 10, 12, sorry. Here 20 times 1 is 20. So remember that here there is a 0 here. Again we can divide by 4. 5. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Again divide by 4 is 5. 5, 6, 5 is the simplest ratio. According to that, calculate the amount they get separated. Yes. As a fraction, profit as a fraction. Look at here total. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 plus 5 is 17. 16. Then 5 of 16, 6 of 16, 5 of 16. Then profit of Kamal. $128,000 multiplied by his fraction. 5 over 60. Then 1, 8. 8 by 5 is 40. 1, 2, 3. Then profit of Kazim also same. We can write here that profit of Kazim 40,000 because that is same. This fraction is 5 over 16. Profit of Shiva. You can find that by same method 128,000 multiplied by 6 over 16. 1, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Sorry, 8. 1, 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Unless you can subtract this 40,000 and 40,000 from total profit. That is another method. You can subtract 40,000 plus 40,000 is 80,000. From this 128,000, that becomes 48,000. Yes, that is the profit of Shiva. Yes. Part B. In another year, Kamal get 14,000 as profit. Calculate the percentage of the profit out of his investment of 35,000 rupees. Yes. Check your answers for this part before I erase the before I clean the whiteboard. In another year, Kamal get 14,000 as his profit. Calculate the percentage of the profit out of his investment, 35,000 rupees. Yes. Look at here. He invest 35,000. Profit 14,000 rupees. Profit as a percentage of investment. Yes. Profit is 14,000. Invested amount 35,000. As a percentage, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 can be divided by 7, 2, 7, 5. Here 200 divided by 5. 200 divided by 5 is 40%. 40%. If Shiva gets 19,200 as his profit in another year, give the profit as a fraction out of his investment 56,000 rupees. Yes. Profit of Shiva as a percentage of investment. 19,200. Invested amount 56,000 as a percentage. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,920 is to be divided by 56. Let's divide by 7. No, that is. Let's divide by 56. 1,920 divide by 56. 356. 3 times 6 is 18. 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 16. 168. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. 240. About 4. 6, 16, 1, keep here 0, take decimal point and keep decimal point and take 0, 160, that will be 2, 112, 48, 480, yes, 8, that is that does not become simplifies. Yes, that does not simplifies. 34.28%. Yes, part C. Flour and sugar is mixed to the ratio of 6 to 5 and flour and butter is mixed to 4 to 3 to make some seeds. Give the compound ratio between flour, sugar and butter in simplest form. Yes, let's consider that. C. Flour, sugar, butter. Flour and sugar mixed to the ratio of 6 to 5. Flour and butter is mixed to the ratio of 4 to 3. 4 to 3. We have to build up a compound ratio for this. Consider the ratio having both terms. Flour in both ratios. So consider that here 6 and 4, least common multiple of 6 and 4 is 12. That means we can convert both 6 and 4 into 12. To convert 6 into 12, we should multiply by 2. So the next term of that means 5, also multiply by 2. That becomes 10. To convert 4 into 12, should multiply by 3. So next term of that also multiply by 3. Then this is the compound ratio of flour to sugar to butter should be mixed into the mixture. Okay, for the then here we discussed first three questions of second term evaluation test paper 2017. Yes, hope another video for next four questions also, and get ready with very confident to with very confident for your exam. Yes, have a nice day, good luck, see you, bye. Let's join again with another video. See you again.